Apple cider vinegar is really just apple juice, fermented with yeast and other helpful bacteria. The fermentation process results in a variety of compounds, nutrients, and probiotics which make ACV a must-have in most natural medicine cabinets. When it comes to skin, ACV's high concentration of acetic acid is king. Our skin is naturally acidic, but with repeated use of harsh creams and cleansers, we can disrupt the delicate acid mantle, which protects skin from germs, bacteria, and pollution. One of the things that makes apple cider vinegar so great is that it restores skin's pH balance and helps repair the acid mantle. It also kills bacteria, removes excess dirt, oil, and makeup, and dissolves dead skin cells. In this video, we will show you 3 ways to use apple cider vinegar for acne. Number 1. Use as face wash. Washing your face with ACV helps remove oil, dirt, and gunk from pores. All you need to do is combine a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with your regular face wash. Massage into skin, then rinse as usual. Or you may also choose a store-bought face wash, which already contains ACV. Number 2. Use as toner. Applying ACV after cleansing can help remove stubborn dirt and grease and tighten pores. It's usually recommended that you don't apply undiluted ACV to skin because it might burn you or make problem skin worse. Applying apple cider vinegar leaves your skin feeling smoother and softer. You know your skin better than anyone, so always do what's best for you, diluted or undiluted. Number 3. Spot treatment. Spot treatments can help stop pesky pimples in their tracks before they've had a chance to grow. Pour a little vinegar onto a Q-tip and dab directly on blemishes one at a time. Reapply this daily until the blemish goes away. You can also spot treat age spots with ACV. So, these are 3 ways by which you can use apple cider vinegar for acne. Do try them to experience the difference. You may also try our beauty app for all natural beauty tips. Links are in the description.